We would now like to introduce you to a revolutionary thread repair process from Sealock in America. In Australia, we have for many years carried out thread repairs using an expensive method of drilling and tapping and then feeding in a wire thread. Now with this revolutionary Sealock case-hardened self-tapping insert, the repair is quicker, stronger and considerably cheaper. And once installed, there is no way possible for these inserts to back out. They are very easy to install. You simply drill the thread out using the correct drill size as per the chart, and you pull these in with a nut, bolt and a spanner. You'll see on this board that we have a full range of metric and imperial sizes, right up to a very large M30 or 3/4 UNC. It's when you get into the bigger sizes that you realise just how cheap these inserts are. For example, take this M16 insert. With the old traditional method, you'll pay around $350 to buy the kit, whereas our insert is under $30. Not only a huge saving, but superior insert. An added benefit with the Sealock method is that all inserts are zinc and cadmium coated, which is the best form of corrosion protection. Especially brilliant in salt water application. You can buy the inserts singularly on cards, which you will find on display stands in a variety of retail shops. You'll see the high tensile bolt and nut comes with the insert on this card. So as you look around the workshop for that size you need. For workshops, we provide a nice compact grab kit, like this assorted kit, which contains 16 of the most popular sizes. In this kit you will get the bolt and nut, which is your installation tool, plus 2 bottles of TMT, which you must use because you are now cutting and tapping. These inserts will go into very heavy metals, as you can see with this solid steel bar. Every workshop should have a grab kit.
That a child can do it. Quite simply, you can see the hole drilled out there to the correct size that's recommended for the size insert you're applying. From there, the insert is taken for an easy installation. The 2 cutting edges, as this is 60 Rockwell Hardy, this is as hard as the tap itself. Simply apply it to the hole. Ensure to hold the insert level and straight, the correct installation. Apply a spanner, and simply start pulling it in. Of course, once you've started the insert, we use a couple of drops of our TMT, simply because, as Alf explained before, we are tapping. So with the smallest amount on the insert itself, then you can just keep pulling the insert in until it's all the way down, aim and flush with the surface. They're that simple, they're that quick, they're that cheap, and no special tooling whatsoever.